All right, guys, I'm gonna do the recap for today. I had a really good day, one solid trade, so the state of the market, the QQQ is running back up again. We had this discussion that what is included in QQQ, as you see, back in back in March when the interest rates were high, increasing and the yields were, treasury yields were going up. There was a really big sell-off on them, but now they're back into the all-time high. Technology sector is really strong. And from them, of course, Apple and Tesla was one of them. Tesla was very strong today, no pullback. I was watching Tesla for a 1 minute opening range breakup. I just missed it because I tried to trade Apple, but look at this 170, it's going to go up. And yeah, I mean, a lot of people believe in Tesla. It might go back to all-time high here. It's just very strong and going up. I didn't trade that, but Brian cut XPEV. It's a lot of these, many of these electric companies are going up. Actually, XPEV, Brian took this trade on that. For me, trade was Apple. I had two trades on Apple. One of them I got stopped out. The second one, it was really awesome. So Apple gapped up. On the first minute, I tried to trade a 1 minute opening range breakup. And what happened was it closed as a doji. So it sold off, bounced back, closed as a doji. I knew it's kind of extended, but I said, you know what? It closed as a doji. Maybe it's going to pop up. I went long, but it held for a few minutes. And I said, you know what? I don't like it. So I got out of it. Sold off to the VWAP and it held the VWAP. Again, that was the moment that the Qs were running up. And, I saw the string in that sector as well. So I jumped back in there long, added more for the break of high of the day and all the way up to 133.60. Never gave me a pullback. So as I said, my goal is to work on my pullbacks on the strongest stocks. So it came down, I added back into this pullback. That was the first pullback that I got. And then for the break of high of the day, and I got out completely. It was kind of looking like exhausted. So that's why I really didn't have a thing to just get back in there. Sold off back to the VWAP. This is an amazing place to buy some option calls when you see amazing runs. Really good consolidation on above the VWAP. It would have been amazing call option if you would have buy call options. Hundreds of percents of profit you could get from it, and eventually went back out for the break of high of the day. And you could actually sell your option calls here. So that was it. Tesla, again, I didn't trade the Tesla, but again, every pullback was being bought back up, and that was, if you were long every pullback, you could just keep buying, and now it's going to 740, and just keep going up. Amazing. So that's it. I had my covered calls. Now that the EV sector is running up, I covered my covered calls. Yesterday was really good, but now that they're moving, my covered calls really do nothing. So ARK is also running up like Tesla because it has a big portion of Tesla in it. And so I'm gonna hold some TNA here. IWM sold off at the open, but now it's bouncing back. So Brian, what did you trade?
Yeah, you got it. XPEV, nice breakout. And it really is just trading. A lot of the EV stocks are trading on sympathy, it seems like, with Tesla going up. And so jumped on that one, shorted plug a bit. And, overall pretty good day. And right now I'm long plug again.
You tried to catch a reversal on American Airline too. I don't know if American Airline was amazing. You tried to catch a reversal. I don't know how much you got it from it.
I got a decent entry, but then just felt like it was going to roll over. It was a double bottom play. It just felt like I did take a partial, then it just felt like it was going to lose the new moving average again. So I bailed on it, unfortunately, and now it's just that was one I just could have, should have, would have. I guess that would be my Romo trade of the day.
So what about other people? Thor, what did you trade? DKNG? Jared? Oh, Jared, you traded Tesla, huh? Let's see what Thor did today.
Yeah, Tesla would have been a great trade.
Yeah, so let's see. Yeah. DKNG, just this R4 trade, long, sold. Amazing. So Thor is going to give a presentation today about these pivot levels. So that's actually, let me bring it here. This is This is the presentation that Thor is gonna do this today at 8 p.m. Eastern time, guys. How to trade using pivot P3, setting up Camarilla pivot and quarter calcs. So, but it's simpler than it sounds. So you know, I'm gonna actually come because I need to learn these pivot points if I really want to become a better trader. So that's for sure. So that is webinar room elite members, guys. This is the part of the third series that Thor is doing. So excellent. So if you want to trade like this, if you want to know how to trade like this, when to buy like this, and you know, sell above that, then you go. Oh, actually, look at that ad. He added here too. That ad is amazing. So you gotta come and learn from Thor. So what else? Anyone else trades EKNG? Jared definitely trades Tesla for sure. So what did you do, Andre? Did you trade like me? Oh, that is exactly my trade, Andre. Just go do your own trade. So that's exactly, I got stopped out. Just kidding. Very nice, very nice. Ross, what did you do, Ross? Really nice short and plug on the VWAP. Excellent trading. Really nice. Rain. Really nice reversal on Baba. Excellent, excellent job. Very nice. All right, guys. So that's it for me today. So I'll see you all tonight in the webinar. I'll send an email as a reminder to the community as well, guys. Have a good day and keep it green, guys.